Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to solve a quiz of Android basics in Kotlin, and it's a quiz of unit 1 pathway 4. So first question is, which of the following is an example of a class? So first is a car, that is make a model, okay. A flower class, that is sand, okay. A puppy, that is a breed. Shop, okay. And lyrics, all are the items and it is an attribute, so it's a class. And which of the following is difference between class and instance? So you can think a class is a blueprint and instance is an actual thing, so it's right. And class is like a plan for bridge, and the Golden Gate are a instance of the bridge. Golden Gate is just a bridge, one of the bridge, so it can be right. And class is a category of things, by instance define their properties. No, that's not true. You can create multiple instances from a class, but you can't create classes from instance. That's right. Okay, and which of the following types of information select whether it should be part of class or instance? Okay, information about properties set by all things belonging to the class, such as a number of strides and the, so all properties set by all things, so many things are belong to this, so it's a class. And the specific things, this might be belonging to instance. My instance maybe, instance means object. So true or false, every main activity has a main function, so it must have on create function if main activities extend by activities, app activities. Okay, which of the following is not of way for creating comments in Kotlin? So yes, double slash, yes, stars, and okay, we cannot convert a function in a comment like this, and we cannot start a one-liner comments like this, so that's are too wrong. We have to select wrong answer. And in 6, which of the following statements about a conditional statement is true? A conditional statement is a way for you to set up a condition and ensure that code following is only execute that the condition is met. Okay, so it's a true word. Conditional statement does not require a keyword, is require keyword like if, else, when, that's a keyword. A conditional statement should be used with integer. No, that's not true. We can use with anyone, any data type. Okay, a conditional statement can be used within function to return output, so yes, we can use as return. You may see further more function which are written like this, return, and in counts there will be a logic. Directly it will return, the logic will execute and it will return. Okay, and the 7, what is the good reason for you to add commit in your code? So all are the valid reason. If you read, you will explain yourself. And which of the following are Kotlin data types? So int range for printing range 1.3 like this if you send in this course, and num is not an integer, and boolean. Okay, following keyword conditional statement, so if, else, and when. If is sure, but then and stop are not conditional. I think stop is not a keyword, but then is keyword for work manager, you will see after more. Repeat is also a function, I mean keyword, but finish is, I think there is not, but repeat is keyword for loop, you will see after in this course. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, we did it. Thank you guys.